Hello everyone. Today we're gonna learn how to make a sandwich. Before we begin, we must gather some ingredients. So that means we must gather bread, cheese, ham, and condiments if you'd like some. Once you're done gathering your ingredients, it's time to make the sandwich. First, just lay out bread like so. Add some condiments. Today we're just going to use some mayo. Come on. Come on! Sorry for that. Now then, once you're done adding your condiments, you now need to get some cheese. Once you're done putting your cheese on get out of here. Once you're done putting the cheese on, now we need to add some meat. Today, we got some ham. Once all that's done, just take one part of the sandwich and close it. Enjoy.
He broke it. He broke it. Rip mayo.